They don't arrest Nana Agrada. Yes, and this one they come straight from Ghana. And this one also they follow after people know they give her bail. Like people no be smarting. And for the way no person where they talk about na fetish priest according to matter wey reach me. They arrest am after they shut down the 2 of her TV station. They say she dey come outside for online, like TV. She go come outside, they do her things because I no even want know wetin she dey do. And according to wetin they tell me, they say wetin they call her. Police people, security people, they say they go down her place, they lock her. After that, so they go carry and put her. They say they allowed because you no get license. Nobody give her permission to air her things, her content. Many wahala upon wahala. And now they talk say, oh Jesus, I beg, make her first laugh. Now this one even they make me laugh, sef. They say she dey operate without license, and now according to wetin they tell me, the advert wey she dey do na sika gari. This one too, abeg make nobody ask me, I no know anything. Na sika gari, and this sika gari wey una dey hear, they say na personal god wey dey give her money. Abeg, I no know. If you ask me who I want to ask, but people, now I don't even know how I even want to settle this matter. If you have people on bail, Nana Agrada arrested, how we want to do it? You know what I discover? Because I don't do my research, I check. I find out say this woman get children. I know say I no go understand where they go. Una remember when the people happen? No, she has a child now. How will you lock her up? Hey, this one. Hey, that one. At least if not for her, for the sake of the child. Hey, oh yeah. This one too get pikin. Yes. So I don't know how now want settle this matter. I beg, I know they believe in any sikagari. Everybody with their own belief because that one no they work for me. I just can't deliver this matter. Whether una believer or una they serve am, that one on a business. But my own be say because anything you are doing to one person, let it go for everybody. Very important. And now as it be like this, are they happy say laws now they work for Ghana? Yes, so and this one I won't say no be temporary. Make una continue like that. Now they don't. In fact, if you not see the way Ghana hot now, you misbehave, they don't lock you up. You misbehave, they don't lock. Now why are they told say are happy say their laws don't they work? If una ask me, because I know say some of una now una go come study talk. I beg, I not support this woman, I not support anybody. I just can't deliver this. I repeat. I beg, I not to say she did right. What she's doing on TV, and they inspire our youth. Rather they do other things according to what I hear. So I not support her. But my people, I beg, since Ghana law now they work, because no be only celebrities who na go they talk say, let's be find her now, let her do community service. Nothing will be. People not bring options. Now them even they give judges option for people. So now at sit down, as soon as see me like this sit down where I sit down, I they wait. I they wait for all the people they know themselves. So I they wait make una start the hashtag, make una start the protest, make una start because the same way una do I see they wait. And this one now, not be just fetish priests and priestesses. I be waiting on they call them. Some people also they do the same thing and they use Bible cover up. So if we are going to dig deep inside this matter, make it go everywhere. I don't go call anybody name. They know themselves. They know what they do and una too una don't see them now. Why? Because they did TV. No, my people no be nowadays. No, check out. Everybody gets something to bring on TV. Everybody, whether it's nonsense or whether it's sense or whether. They are doing the same thing and they repeat and they use Bible do it cover up. Una no go quickly know why because the Bible say this other one, this other one. This thing must reach everybody. So I beg, start digging deep, check them. Whoever you have to shut down. No look for people where they use red cloth and black cloth. That one I go quickly get attention. Say yes, this one is bad because some people wear suits and they are still bad. Yes, Some people wear suit, some people go even carry cross as chain. They are still bad. In fact, na them even bad sef pass person wey dey use needle and red and black cloth. So abeg, make we look deep inside this matter. Na why I bring this thing out, biko. You know how many things dey happen now. Some pastor, no, if una wan make I mention, I go mention. Pastor wey go sit down top member face, mess. He say na healing. You go receive the healing like that. The one wey send them outside go chop grass. Abi the one wey dey even carry drum put water inside. Pastor dey inside the drum. He dey give members water to drink from him body. No, that one una no see am. Una no see all those ones. Na person. I no go talk because Nana, if I be you, that your sikagari God, you need call her now because now we need the action. Very, very. Very important. And for all of una social justice warriors, because make una start, we dey wait for the protest. So the same way una do am, I repeat, we dey wait for her. This woman to get pikin. Very, very important. We dey wait for you people. My people, na the matter be this straight from Ghana. Another one don happen, and another one don dey enter prison. Wetin una gats talk concerning this matter? Una agree, abi una no agree? As usual, drop am for that side. And make sure say you share this video. Make everybody know wetin dey happen for Ghana. And if you never subscribe, you are on a long thing because things dey happen. Stay tuned for our next story.